TVS Racing have had a great weekend at MMRT at the Round 2 Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship. So we had huge technical learnings from our participation in Round 1, and our team engineers have put a lot of quality time on analyzing the bike data, also interpreting the data along with the riders' feedback, and finally we arrived improvement points in terms of engine, suspension, electronics and vehicle layout. So all these efforts have helped us in cutting down our own lap timings by about 0.4 to 0.5 in both these classes. Our lap timings, sector timings and maximum speeds on the track have increased considerably. In race 1 Pro Stock 165cc class, we had tough fight between top 4 contestants. And finally Jagan, who won the race brilliantly. In race 2 again there was tough fight for the top spot, and our rider Deepak Ravikumar won the race brilliantly, followed by our Jagan Kumar in second spot.
I know Hondas are fast, but I know my bike is faster and I know I can do it. I decided to win. I was playing around for first 3 laps. I was behind my teammate Jagan. I got confident and I was just playing around till the 4th lap. The last lap, no one was behind me, just Jagan. So I finished the race.
I target to finish first, but unfortunately all the riders joined together for the fight competition till the last lap. Before last corner also we fight for the podium.
So in Pro Stock 300 to 400cc class, so we mainly focused on setting up the bike for the official tire supplied by the event organizer. We made a good job. Now the vehicle parameters and the ergonomics especially arrived for this round have helped us in doing better lap timings in our Apache Aurora 310. In race 1, tough competition between the top 10 riders, and we were able to finish at 4th and 5th spot. In race 2 again there was a brilliant fight by Deepak. He rode a beautiful race.
Race 2, I wanted to show the real me, and I wanted to push myself 100%. I gave 100%. I gave all my experience, all this 15 years, whatever I learned. It was a very good race. Today I felt it like I will win the race. I was on the top, I was leading, and I had a major incident, and because of the incident I had a crash.
However, our rider Ahmed fought well with the top riders, and then he finished the race at 2nd position.
I trying to following fast group, then I try to overtake one by one. In the last lap, last one I moved to the 2nd place, then I finished with the checkered flag 2nd one.
So we are happy with our team's performance and product improvements. This gives us a strong confidence for us to prepare the bike for our next round. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned with our social media handle for further updates.